Catalonia is about to enter the select club of automatic metro systems with the commissioning of the Barcelona Metro Systems Line 9, the longest in Europe, 47.8 kilometers in length. This ambitious metropolitan project will become the backbone of the city's public transport system, with a link to the airport and strategic connections with all the metro and railway lines, completely crossing the city from north to south. Line 9, the first totally automatic line in Spain. Out of the 52 stations making up this line, 33 are being built under the special tunnel, with superimposed tracks. That is to say, one direction on top and another below. Also, 6 of the stations will be above ground and joined by way of a viaduct. The objective of all this is to reduce the road and surface disruptions to a minimum. Other challenges that arise are to increase the passenger safety as well as their comfort, thanks to the platform doors and the train opening in a synchronized manner. Among other advantages, the platform doors will permit accidents to be avoided as passengers enter and exit, in addition to offering proper climatization in the stations. Line 9 of Barcelona's metro system is a technological milestone that represents a turning point in the application of the most advanced railway technologies. The decision to automate a metro line reflects the enterprising nature of this city which, just like Siemens, places its stakes on innovation in the railway sector. The MTO, or Manless Train Operation System, is the driverless driving mode that will be used on this line. Its main feature is the overall automation of the route. Among its many advantages, one can highlight safety without human intervention, a flexible adaptation of the train traffic to the demand, investment optimization along with a reduction in the operating costs with automatic fault resolution management, as well as the dedication of the personnel to serving the passengers. Siemens is responsible for the automation technology chosen in this project, the CBTC, or Communications-Based Train Control System. Based on broadband radio communication between the onboard equipment and the equipment located in the infrastructure. Siemens is a worldwide leader in CBTC systems. Specifically, the CBTC system awarded to Siemens for Line 9 is based on the experiences obtained on the New York subway Canarsie line, as well as on Line 14 of the Paris Underground, known as Meteor, and it is considered to be the predecessor of the automatisms in the existing railway systems. The equipment making up the CBTC is grouped together based on 2 basic functionalities called ATS and ATC. Located in the central control post of La Sagrera, the ATS, Automatic Train Supervision, is used for the centralized tracking and control of the movements of each train. Its main function being to serve as the interface between the operator and the automatic line. With the ATC automatic train control, safety is guaranteed in the automatic movement of passengers, and centralized management of the line is performed. The CBTC system's operating principle is based on the transmission of orders from the control center by a traffic operator, who assigns a train a certain mission to be performed, which is sent by radio to the train. Once the mission has been received, the train automatically wakes up to execute it. As of that moment, the traffic operator's interaction is minimal, and he spends his time verifying the mission sent. Siemens automatisms take control and begin to manage the relevant actions to execute the route. The train, using tachometers, continuously measures its position on the track and corrects the odometer's errors upon sporadically reading the fixed balises installed on the track. This position is continuously transmitted to the zone controller equipment, which detects the moving target to be protected, such as a train that is running in front, and transmits this information via radio to the train. With a CBTC, any incident is detected in real time, permitting the system or the operator to react quickly to correct the situation. In this way, it is possible to increase the train traffic frequency and to also augment the traffic management safety by having full control over the journey process. The CBTC systems provide a solution to the fundamental limitations of the fixed block-based systems. The Siemens CBTC is characterized by being a truly moving block, where the limit which a train cannot go beyond is the end of the next train, permitting the trains to get as close as possible to each other and take advantage of a shorter interval. In October 2007, the automatic driving test began on the Barcelona Metro Systems Line 2 with the equipment contracted for Line 9. Series 9000 trains were used for these trials, also being equipped with Siemens ATC systems. For the first time in Spain, trains were running over a metro line without drivers, which has represented a milestone for urban transport. At the end of 2009, the first segment of 3.9 kilometers was inaugurated between Can Tham and Can Peixauet, with 5 stations becoming operational: Can Tham, Singuerlín, Iglesia Major, Fondo, and Can Peixauet. Additionally, the automatic driving concept and the automation of Line 9 have been based on an operating model that assures that the combination of systems complies with the automation model and objectives. This has been possible thanks to CETECAM, the Metro Automatic Driving Technological Center, put into motion by Siemens in 2006 in collaboration with TMB and the Polytechnic University of Catalonia. Within the framework of collaboration with the university, this Center of Technological Innovation has worked on various projects, such as the definition of the technical homologation specifications for an automatic driving system, or the obtaining of a virtual operating model of the metro for doing traffic plan simulations and optimizations. Without a doubt, this line is an example of technological cooperation, in which Siemens has taken on the responsibility of integrating the different pieces of equipment and their functionalities. It also, once again, reinforces its presence and importance in Catalonia and in Spain, as part of the components have been manufactured in its Cornellà de Llobregat factory. This is a project that has no predecessor in Spain, and it already operates successfully in other cities around the world under Siemens guidance. Also, this line and all those that will be put into operation from now on will make the city of Barcelona the most avant-garde city in Europe, thanks to its first totally automated metro line. CBTC Leading Edge Technology, a reality in Barcelona's urban transport.